Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to fix OmeTV not working on PC. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first you want to check your internet connection. Restart your router to refresh the connection. Connect the device directly to the modem using Ethernet cable to rule out any Wi-Fi related problems. Run a speed test to check download and upload speeds. If this doesn't work, then just clear cache and cookies. In most browsers, go to the settings, locate privacy and security, click on it, find the option to clear browsing history, cache and cookies, and then select all the relevant options and click on clear and delete. Another one is to disable VPN or proxy. So if you're using VPN or proxy services, it may cause some problems with the OmeTV. What you want to do is just turn it off or disable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.